Karbi Anglong lapen West Karbi Anglong district aphanta Prapjin pen Armed Forces Special Power Act CN serak nangji pusi Karbi Students Association atum pen State Government aphan ke hang ke pasik Karbi Anglong district lapen West Karbi Anglong district ta monsam do nangji monsam ke do pen si Karbi Anglong district lapen West Karbi Anglong district ta an si chingthur unji pu pen Karbi Anglong aparman lapen monsam aparman si UPDS lapen song trok atum ta lamdon chitoklo Lason si Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council CEM Dr. Tuliram Ronghang aphanta Peace Puamen pen doctorate aman pipajir ponlo Bonda Karbi Anglong arlo lapu an monsam dotte tapita soluk sodak atomon avi pinahut anta Karbi Anglong district lapen West Karbi Anglong district along riarlo along soluk sodak dolang poason si Assam Chief Minister Dr. Himanta Biswa Sarma pen Assam along riarlo Armed Forces Special Power Act aphan longri thongke brahinyang bongpen longri sirke bafan lasoron pedopon thukok lopu pangdak pon along Karbi Anglong lapen West Karbi Anglong aphanta lasoron along dipon thukok lasi Prapjin pen la aron CN serak nangji pusi KSA Central Committee pachithang chunbang Muniram teron pen ke hang pedopon
to keep a strict vigil so that we could prevent those kind of untoward incidents happening frequently in West Karbi Anglong and to prevent such kind of initiative or to prevent such kind of untoward incidents, both the government of Assam and Meghalaya should keep a strict vigil so that no miscreants could create nuisance in the border area. Because of such kind of nuisance, with such kind of untoward incidents, the peoples living in the border areas, their life are insecure, their life are at threat. So we appeal to the district administration and also to the MLA of West Karbi Anglong district to resolve the border issue as early as possible. So also Special Power Act should remove from Karbi Anglong as early as possible so that the people of Karbi Anglong could live peacefully without any feeling any insecurity on their life, without feeling any insecurity on their property. Because as we are all aware that due to the presence of Armed Forces Special Power Act, many of our Karbi innocent peoples and many of the general public of Karbi Anglong have lost their life in the name of counter-insurgency, in the name of searching accused persons. So many peoples have feel insecure due to the prevalence of presence of Armed Forces Special Power.
News Report Karbi Anglong Live.